Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel, and we are back with another wig install from Luvme Hair. However, this one is very different. You see that hairline in the front? That is all me, sis. I am not wearing any type of lace closure or lace frontal. This is Luvme Hair's 2 easy texture 3-in-1 half wig, and it is a kinky curly texture in 24 inches. Now I have a couple of things to say in regards to this wig and how you guys should make sure that you purchase the right one, because it's a little tricky. Okay, kinky curly, as you guys know, sometimes it isn't as kinky as we need. For example, my specific hair type is a little more coilier, and this one you can kind of see the curl pattern is a little looser. So is it a perfect match? No, but you could definitely hide your hair underneath the half wig's hair, if that makes any sense. The less leave out you leave, the better, okay? So I'm going to give you guys some tips and tricks on how I was able to get this flawless and quick and easy wig install. Right now I'm just giving you guys an unboxing per the usual. Of course, they sent a couple of gifts. So this is the wig here, you guys. It is a kinky curly texture. I know that there's been some debates on, you know, Luvme Hair and other brands, how their kinky curly is. It's kinky, and it is curly. Sometimes it's just not as kinky as you would like it or you need it to be. So we'll talk about that. But as you guys can see inside of the wig cap, it does have the combs and it has that wonderful drawstring as well. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and throw this wig on. Now, to all of my fine hair naturals and all my low density hair naturals, you guys can definitely relate to me with the fact that these combs just don't do it all the time. You don't have to use all of them. I definitely make use of the one that's right in the middle, the first comb that I put through, and then I use the drawstring to tighten the entire circumference of the wig cap, and it definitely does a good job at that. I think Luvme Hair needs to add this on all of their wig caps, whether they're lace or not, because we know that their wig caps could be a little big, so that drawstring is very helpful. So before I take out my leave out and try to blend it in with the rest of the hair, I'm going to kind of separate these curls a little bit. So going back to what I was saying earlier, this hair is definitely a kinky curly texture, but it's not as kinky enough to match my hair. My hair, I am a type 4 natural. My curls in the front are a little more coilier than the ones in the back. So yeah, you guys already know how that goes if you're a natural. So this whole defined 3C looking type of hair that they have going on here with this kinky curly wig, it's not going to match my hair type at all. So what I like to do is I try my best to kind of just mess up the front of it a little bit and kind of separate the curls a little bit more. That way I could blend it in just a little bit more with my hair. And also any strangly pieces that I find, I just cut off. Okay, so I have been wearing half wigs, not a Luvme Hair one. I've been wearing a different one, but I already have my leave out set because I had one on earlier today. And I'm just gonna go ahead and unravel it. I put it in a flat twist overnight, and I do use product in it before I do a flat twist. Now I have seen some girls use flexi rods, some girls have been using wand curlers, some girls have been using perm rods, anything that can actually help their hair mimic the kinky curly wigs a lot better. I'm the opposite. I refuse to really try to finesse my hair to match a different type of hair texture. What I would like is for Luvme Hair to come out with an afro coily wig, half wig, and I would definitely jump on that ASAP because that'll match my hair a lot better. So as you guys see right now, there is a clear separation of my hair and the Luvme Hair half wig. So I literally just keep playing with it as much as possible, and because these half wigs are designed to do a flip over, the hair from the half wig is going to hide anything that's not matching anyways, but you still want it to look nice, you still want to blend it. And I'm giving you guys a close-up of that curl pattern. That's definitely a whole lot looser than all of my type 4 curly coily girls. Okay, so this is just what I do. I just keep playing with it. I keep messing with it until I get it the way how I like, and this was the final result. Now let me know what you guys are thinking. I feel like if you're not a natural, or if you don't know black hair in general, you won't be able to tell, but I'll be able to tell, you know what I'm saying? So just do your best to blend it as much as possible. I'm pretty sure Luvme Hair is going to come out with more textures if they haven't already. And if they do come out with an afro coily texture, I will be on that, and I'll be more than happy to show you guys that. I love my curl pattern, and I love these benefits of these half wigs. They are so useful, and it's so easy, and it's definitely helpful. It is a protective style. However, I just need one to match my hair just a little bit better from Luvme Hair, okay? But this is what we are working with. Check out my description box. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time.